Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to clear the cache for Apex Legends on Steam to help fix crashes, stuttering, or loading issues. First, completely close Apex if you have it opened up. And then after that, open your Steam. Once you have your Steam opened, go to the top left corner here where it says Steam, click that, and click on Settings. Once you're on Settings, you scroll down to where the downloads are found. And then once here, scroll down and click on Clear Download Cache. Click the Clear Cache, click on Confirm. Then after doing that, what you have to do is relog in your Steam. And then once you have opened your Steam again, go to your library, find Apex Legends, right click, click on Properties, and then click on Installed Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This makes sure that nothing important was deleted. Verifying integrity files may take a while, so all you have to do is wait. And then once it finishes, launch Apex Legends and check if your problem is fixed. And that's it. That is how to clear cache for Apex Legends on Steam.